Seems like this map takes a second to load. Kind of did the same thing last time, but we'll take it. Everybody hit that gas. Go! Roger! Alright, Roger. Roger! Oh, do this to me! You got some catches back this time. Can I just get away from you? Everyone on this track, please? We're still in it. Get out, freak. Wow. There's some down vehicles out here. Let's see if we can make this happen. You deserve what you got, Roger. God. Can I just cut across? Is that bad? Well, 11th place is just not happening. Kind of in a free-for-all right here, but I'm in 3rd place. And I see first and second, which is what I can only assume. Let's see if I can catch you. I will pass you. And you're going off the road. Okay, you didn't. But I will catch you. I have a lap to make. Okay. Well, if you're going to do that, I'll pass you. I stressed about it. Kind of crazy. I might be upset, but we're in rally cars. Kind of the point of a rally car is to go off the road, but it's not. Look at these crazy jumps. We'll finish it the way it's intended. But that's easy enough. If you guys don't mind giving me a second. Just in case anybody was wondering, solid stream.